Yo, what's up guys, it's Kobo from Elite Signals, and today I'm excited to officially announce that we have updated our oscillator, and I'm here to show you guys exactly what we changed and how to use it, as well as a certain strategy you guys can use for it. Okay guys, so yeah, let's get started. This is our brand new oscillator right here. You can access it by going up here to indicators and strategies, going down to invite only scripts, and selecting ES oscillator. Alright guys, that's how you put it on your chart. Super simple. If you guys don't have access to this and you want access to this, simply join our Discord server. The link will be down below. Okay? Um yeah, so let's get started. Let's show you guys exactly what we changed. So we added the ability to see that if the market is currently in an uptrend or downtrend, so whether it's bearish or bullish, simply by the colors. If it's green, it is bullish. If it's red, it is bearish. We also added the ability to know how the momentum swings are happening. So for example, right now, we see that with the price actually going down, so is it going here with the indicator, showing that it's dark red, which means that it's going down. Once that turns to a lightish pink, that means that right now it's currently losing a lot of momentum, and you could see a reversal happening very soon. Same thing goes for the green, just vice versa. So whenever the green is going up, that means momentum is strong. Once it turns to a lighter green, that means momentum is weak and could start going down again. Okay, guys, you can use that very simple. Also, we added the feature to check for divergences. I'm not gonna go super detail what a divergence is, but it pretty much is when the price action up here does not add up with the indicator down here. And usually when that happens, that means there's a very good sign of a reversal happening soon. And our indicator tracks that. So for example, right here, it pointed out a bearish diversion, which means that it expects the price to go down. And that's exactly what happened. It took a tank right here, all the way down over here, right? So you can see the indicator called a bearish diversion signal, and the price started tanking as soon as it did that, right? Same thing up here, indicator caught a bullish diversion signal, and the price started going up from here. Okay, guys, it's very cool, very nice. You can use that in your trading. It's actually very accurate. So yeah, that's what we've added to our bot. Let me show you guys a quick strategy you guys can use with just this if you don't want to use the ES bot. One thing I like to do is actually wait for a sign of weakening. So let's just say, for example, right here on this these red candles, as the price was going down, I see that over here it turned to a lightish pink. What I would do is I would wait until the third bar. If that one is still light pink, I would place a buy, and I would continue to hold the buy until I got a light color of the opposite direction. So for example, over here, when I saw the green light color, so this trade would have been over here like this. 1 second. So I would have taken this trade right here, and I would have exited the trade around right there. So that would have been a trade, guys. Very good trade right there. Stop loss at the swing low, which would have been down here, a little bit further. That's where my stop loss would have been, guys. Okay, that's what my trade. You can do that for any stocks, forex or options. Let's try it. Let's show you guys another example. Very easy. Let's remove drawings. So for example, right here, I see that it was green. It turned light green, another light green. On the third one, if it's still a light green, I would enter a trade. So our trade down here would have been right there, and I would have got out as soon as the red candles turned pinkish. So it would have been this trade exactly. Behind the swing lie. Boom. That would have been my trade. Another win right there, guys. This is a simple strategy you guys can use with the oscillator. If you guys want a more in-depth look at this strategy, comment down below. Let us know that you want that, and like the video, please. Okay, guys. So yeah, this is our update for our oscillator. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or send me a personal message inside the Discord server. If you want to get this bot and you don't have it yet, simply just join our Discord server and contact one of the founders, Koba Ape or Caesar, and then yeah, we can get you started with the trading bot oscillator. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.